கட்டே கட்டலதே.
Hello all, welcome to the channel Learn Everything Karka Kasadara. In this video, we are going to see about some important tools which are to be used while drilling using a drilling machine, and also I'll give you some information related to the components of pillar type drilling machine and radial drilling machine. This is a chuck which is used for holding the tool, and the tool we are going to use is a drill bit, and this is chuck key which is used for tightening and loosening the chuck. And this is our cutting tool which is drill bit or drill. It is 8.5 mm, and this is how we will be placing the drill bit in the chuck. And the components of drill bit, this is shank, and it is neck, and it is flute. This part is known as land, and finally at the tip we have cutting edges. We have plenty of drill bits available at various sizes. And this is hammer. The application of hammer is well known to us. This is known as center punch, which is used for making a small dot before making a drill. And this is known as drift, which is used to remove tapered shank tools from spindles, sockets and sleeves. And this is tri-square, which is used for making perpendicular lines, and steel rule, which is used for measuring the dimension of the component. And this is known as scriber, which is a marking tool. And next is file, which is used for smoothing the surface of the component. And finally depth gauge, which is used for measurement. This is a schematic representation of pillar type drilling machine. You can see motor, then pulleys, then regular work table, base table, chuck, spindle, table clamp, column, etc. So for our understanding, we have the actual pillar type drilling machine which is available in our machine shop. So this is the pillar type drilling machine available in our machine shop. So this is drilling head and a table. This is machine wise, where we'll be holding the component or workpiece. And it is up and down locking lever, which is used for moving the table up and down. And we have a spindle which is connected to a motor, and it is chuck, and finally drill or drill bit. And this lever is used for forward and reverse, and also on off. And this is feed lever, which is used for giving the feed. While moving or rotating it, we can give the feed. And this is radial type drilling machine, and he is Mr. Armugam, technician of National Engineering College. Thank you, Mr. Armugam, for sharing your knowledge with us. So it can move in a radial direction. That is what one of the advantages of this machine. We can also have cross movement. By rotating this wheel, we can expect cross movement, and this is for setting the exact position of the drill bit. And this lever is known as locking lever. Once after the position is set, we can lock the section. And this is feed lever, which is obviously used for giving feed. This is known as fine adjustment feed, which is used for giving a very fine feed. This is known as radial arm, and it is drilling head. So in drilling head, we can adjust the speed. If you are expecting any change in speed, you can adjust the speed by using this gears and belt. I hope you have got some information related to the tools used in drilling machine as well as pillar type and radial type drilling machine. I'll meet you in the next video with a new content. Thank you for watching.